and 10. Good morning, Gita. Good morning, good morning. Over here at how much wine in this? What is it? You want it, yes, ladies and gentlemen, thanks. Good morning, people in our town, some big. I want to tell you guys how the data is morning. We're winding down with the drum making workshop. So, right now, different stages are where we're there right now. This is what it's all about, ladies and gentlemen. Drum making classes in Beta Rodriguez. Teaching all these young people around here. Keep them positive, keep positively engaged. You know what the activities here for the summer. So we're at the different stages of it. Of making it drum. As you can see, they have different stages right now, so we're just waiting to finish this one. This is the last week of this drum making, so we still have to put on the sitar. I'll show the sitar right now, right there. skin as well. Still have the rope, you gotta string it. At the same time, you're also making a trap. We gotta go. Let's test it. Are you, ladies and gentlemen? Are you?